Okay, Peugeot, tell me a joke.
What was the only invention more important than the first telephone? The second telephone.
Tell us another joke.
A grasshopper walks into a bar. The bartender says to him, "Hey, did you know we actually have a drink named after you?" The grasshopper replies, "Really? You have a drink named Kevin?"
Oh, Peugeot, you're really funny. Sorry. I love it. Map.
Your voice assistant does not support the command to show the map screen.
Oh.
You will arrive at your destination at 12:57.
Okay, Peugeot. Hi.
It is 13 degrees with a high of 16 in Vos Peak.
Yeah.